For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Jackson County in northeastern Alabama until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:24 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Stevenson or near Bridgeport, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bridgeport around 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bass, Russell Cave National Monument, and Long Island. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult. Night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Jackson, Alabama,